In this video I will show you how to draw on a frame. So we will just start with a new we will add the package. And then we will add the jframe to it. Okay, here we have our jframe. Now let us just run this. We have empty jframe. Now the first thing that we will do here is to add a menu, and in that menu we will have menu items for drawing a circle, a line and a square, and the second menu we will have for changing the color, that would be that like red, green, blue. So the first thing, we need to drag and drop a menu bar from here. This is our menu bar. Now in this menu bar we can add, first we can just rename this to draw and this one to color. We can add some menu items to it. Let's say so we have 3 menu items here, and we will have 3 menu items and this one. We can run this again and check. We have 3 menu items and 3 here. So let us just rename these menu items. Okay, we have our menus. We can check this. We have all the shapes and the colors. Okay, now the first thing that we need to do here is, before we start writing the code behind these shapes, let's come here and see something. Okay, whenever we want to draw on any content pan, any frame or J panel, we need to get the graphics context of that control or that content pan, in fact. So that is, we need to create a variable of the graphics class. We need to import this. Here we have the, now in the constructor we can do something like this. Get graphics. Okay, here we have the variable which has the handle of the frame, so we can use this variable to draw different objects. Now let us come back here. We will write the event handler against the line menu item. Okay, here we are going to use the G variable, the graphics variable, and then draw line. The draw line has 4 parameters, that is x1, y1, x2 and y2, means point 1 and point 2 of the line. So this is our line. This should draw a line. Let's come back here again. We will run this and see what happens. You can see here it shows a line, right? Now similarly we will also write against the circle, and the same variable. For circle we are going to use the method draw oval. For the oval, we have the two corners of a rectangle. In fact, this oval is drawn inside a rectangle. So if that rectangle is a square, it would draw a circle, otherwise it will draw an oval or an ellipse. Now we can just have a look here. You can see this is the draw oval method. Now this one, the top left X, top left Y, means the top left of corner of this rectangle here, and then we have the width and height of it. So we need to show X1 Y1 as the top left XY, while the width and height of our rectangle. So what we can do here, you can see we have a circle here and we have our line also. So once again we will come back here to our square, write the event handler, and we do the same thing again. This one is draw rectangle. You can see here again it has the same parameters, integer X and Y, that is the top left corner, while width and height of the rectangle. So if we want to make this one a square, we need to have same width and height. So just run this one. Here we have our square, we have the circle, and we have the line also. Now we will look at the colors, how to set the colors. We will use the same graphics handle, and the method is set color dot red, right? Then again we come back to blue, and we can make this one So let us run this one again and see how it works. First we set the color to red and we draw. We have a red line, we change it to blue, we have a blue circle, and we change it to green, we have a green square. This is how we can use the frame to draw different objects on it.